Fiverr has declined my payment request of 1160 US dollars, which I earned from the platform by promoting my affiliate links. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about the actual reason why they declined my payment request and what they instructed me to do to get paid. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the reason. So as you can see, by 11th May, I requested for 1160 US dollars to get paid from the platform. Then it got declined, and the reason is, if you just take a look at manager comments, you can see you have issued a payment request and choose PayPal or Payoneer as your preferred payment method. However, payment by PayPal or Payoneer is available only for payments under 1000 US dollars. So they supports payment through PayPal and Payoneer when the amount is under 1000 US dollars. So the reason they declined my payment request is clear, so there is nothing to be worried about. So what they instructed me to do to get paid. So as you can see here, they have written, please change your preferred payment method to wire transfer. So basically I have to add my bank account details and then request the payment again, and then I have to let them know so that they will send me the payment on time. So let me show you what exactly we have to do and how can we make the change. So first of all, we have to simply go here on this account details option. After that, I am going to click on this payment details as per their instruction. As you can see, currently my payment details is set to PayPal. Now I'm going to click on this edit option, and after that I'm going to make a change here. Instead of PayPal, I'm going to select wire or SEH transfer. Then I'm going to provide my bank account details. As you can see, the account type is private, and if you just notice, I have entered my account details here, all right, including my address. Now you have to add your bank account details, including your, let's say, if you don't have a bat identification number, which I don't have as well, so I have just entered NA, not applicable. Then account beneficiary, my full name, then account number, bank name, bank branch code or the branch name, then the bank country, bank city, then SWIFT code of the bank, and then IVN number, and then AVA number for US only. I don't have an AVA number, so I've just entered NA. Then bank correspondent, I have put my bank name here. All right, then I provided my address information. That's it. Then I clicked on save. So you have to basically provide your information from this page. Let's click on continue. And after saving your bank account details, simply you have to click on this request payment button again. After that, you are going to see all the details. Then let's click on request payment again. And then I'm going to select auto generate. And after that, I'm going to write a comment here. I have promoted my affiliate links through Quora, Facebook, blog, and YouTube video descriptions. That's it. And then I'm going to, let's say, put these details right here. Okay, that's it. Let's click on request payment. And now the payment status is pending. So now they're going to verify my payment request, and if they find all the information that I provided accurate, then they're going to approve the payment and I will get paid on my bank account. So this was it, guys. So I believe you have found this video helpful. If you have got any further question, please let me know by commenting below, and you're going to find the complete Fiverr affiliate marketing tutorial link into the video description if you are interested to learn more about. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.